Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. We had already done addition. Every child knows how to do addition through fingers, है ना? You can do with various methods. You can do with the help of fingers. You can draw the lines, or you can do mentally. Okay? Those who are very good, they can do as a mental maths. They can do, or they can add mentally. Today we are going to do double digit addition. Means there are numbers under tens also and under ones also. Under ones there are 2 digits, and under tens there are 2 digits. So when we will start doing 2 digit addition, we will do with the same way as we had done single digit addition. Means we will start from ones. We will start from ones. Okay. Now the number 3 and 4 are written. So we will take which number in the mind? We will take big number in the mind. So which is the big number? 4 is the big number. So it will go in mind. 4 will go in mind. 3 fingers up. 3 fingers up. 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what you will write? You will write 7 under ones, not under tens. Okay? So keep in mind. This 7 will come here. Now come to tens side. Tens. Now which number you will take in mind? 2. 2 is big, 1 is small. 2 will go in mind, 1 finger up. 2, 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2, 3. You will write 3 here. Okay. Now next see. 5, 4, 6, 0. Which will go in mind? We will not start from 10 side. We will start from one side. One side there are 2 numbers 5 and 4. Which is big? 5 is big. So 5 will go in mind. 4 fingers up. 4 fingers up. 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 will go in mind. 9 we will write here. Okay. Now 6 and 0. Which will go in mind? 6 will go in mind. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Because 0 has no value. ओके मेरे पास 6 टॉफ़ी थी, मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे 0 टॉफ़ी दी. इट मीन्स ही हैज़ गिवन नथिंग टू मी. सो आई विल बी हैविंग 6 टॉफ़ीज़ इन माई हैंड. ओके 6, 6, 6 plus 0, 6. Okay. Now this sum 7 plus 1, 7 will go in mind, 1 finger up. 7, 7, 7, 8. We will write 8 here. Now 6 and 2, 6 will go in mind, 2 fingers up. 6, 6, 6, 7, 8. Again 8. 0 and 4. 4 will go in mind. 0 has no value. 0 is a small number. So 4 will go in mind. So 0 has no value. The number will come in answer. Same number will come. 0 will not come. 4 will come. 4 plus 0 means 4 toffees I am having. 0 somebody has given me. किसी ने मुझे 0 टॉफ़ी दिया. मेरे पास 4 टॉफ़ी ऑलरेडी था. तो मेरे पास कितना है टॉफ़ी? 4 का 4 है. बिकॉज 0 हैज़ नो वैल्यू. 0 मीन्स उसने मुझे नथिंग दिया, कुछ नहीं दिया. ओके 0 हैज़ नो वैल्यू. सो वी विल राइट द सेम नंबर हियर. सी 6 plus 0, 6. 0 plus 4, 4. Here 6 has come here because 0 has no value. हमने उसमें कुछ भी ऐड नहीं किया. और 4 plus 0 or 0 plus 4, 4 will come here, not 0 will come here. 4 will come here because 0 has no value. It is nothing. same number will come in mind. Now here both the numbers are same. So 1 4 will go in mind, 1 4 will come in hand. 4 4 4 5 6 7 8. So answer is 8 here. So children, when both the numbers are same, then there is no big, no small. There is no big, no small. Both the numbers are same. Now here you see 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 means 0 toffee. Somebody has given me 0 toffee means no toffee. 0 means no toffee. So answer is 0. 1 plus 1, everybody knows 2. No need to plus it, no need to add it. 8 and 1. 8 will go in mind, one finger up. 8, 8, 8, 9. 7 and 2, 7 will go in mind, 2 fingers up. 7, 7, 7, 8, 9. 3, 3, 3, 3. All 4 numbers are same. We will start from here. 3 will go in mind. 3 fingers up. 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will start from one side, not from 10 side. Again 3 in mind. 3 fingers up. 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, same number. So this side we will start, okay, not this side. 4 is big number. 4 will go in mind, 3 fingers up, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 10 side, 4 will go in mind, 3 fingers up, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 and 2, 5 will go in mind, 2 fingers up, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7. 6 will go in mind, 3 fingers up, 6, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 0 plus 3, I told you when 0 is there, the number will same come in answer because 0 means हमने उसमें कुछ भी add नहीं किया. It is nothing, 0 has no value. So here we will say 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 4, 4. Whether the 0 is up or the 0 is down, the answer will come same. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 0. Now again 0 has come. 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 0, 7. So children, you will do this exercise in your copy. Okay, one more exercise I am giving to you. I am going to do 2 sums. Okay, other sums you will do. Okay, here 4 and 5 are there. We will start from ones now. 4 and 5. 5 will go in mind. 4 fingers up. 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here there is only one number. This one, there is nothing down. So there is a blank space down. Only one number is here. This one will come down and sit here. Okay, again 6 plus 0, 6. This one will come here. Okay, 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. Here 4 and 4. 4 in my mind, 4 finger up, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here there is no number, only one number is here. Here down there is no number, so this one will come and sit here. Okay, these are the little mixed sums. Okay, upside 2 digits and down 1 digit. Okay, and somewhere there are both 2 digits up and 2 digits down. Okay, do this exercise number 2 and exercise number 1. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye.